Hi and welcome back to another YouTube video. And have you ever wondered what makes an acid an acid? Well, that's what we are going to be talking about now. Is an acid something that's green or just something that can go through any substance? Well, neither actually. The dictionary states that an acid is something that likes donating its ions, and bases are particles that like accepting ions. When you put an acid and a base together, they then neutralize and become salt and water. You can find acids and bases around the house and in other places. For example, bleach is a base and Coke has phosphoric acid in it. And even rocket fuel has perchloric acid in to make it more explosive. But because of all these acids and bases, we need to create a chart to rank the acidity or how basic something is. This chart is called a pH scale chart, and the lower the rank, for example, -5 pH, the more acidic something is. You can check what rank something has by using a litmus paper or an indicator. With all that in mind, let us ask the question, what is the strongest acid? And the answer to that is fluoroantimonic acid. And with a pH rank of -23 pH, it can burn through almost anything. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't seen it yet, then go and check out my other video on saving the environment.